Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this pool storage that we got on Amazon. In this video, I am going to talk about some of the things that I really like about it and one important thing that I think you should know before buying it. So we got the smaller size. We don't have a lot of space and we don't really have a ton of floaties. We have some pool noodles in the back of our backyard that we usually put here, but overall we don't really have a ton of floaties, but we needed something to just keep things organized. That's why we got this one. Overall, the quality is really good. These right here are made of PVC, but it's a very strong, weather resistant. We live in a very hot area and we haven't had any issues of these just breaking or getting weak because of the sun. The fabric is also really nice. We haven't had any issues. As you can see, it looks brand new. Here at the front, well, both sides, you have more storage. So you have this one right here, this one at the bottom, and then right here at the back you have more storage as well. So if you're looking for something to keep your pool accessories organized but it's not super big, I feel like this would be perfect. Another thing I can't forget to mention is how easy it was to put this together. It took me maybe 10 minutes. The instructions were very clear, and I don't know, like I said, it's not super big, so it's not gonna take you a lot of time to put this together. Now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning that I think you should know before buying this pool storage unit. This right here comes with wheels, so you can move it around. The problem is, for some reason, I could not attach the wheels to this. So we don't have wheels. We're not going to be moving this around at all. I don't think the wheels would matter for us. And also, this wouldn't stop us from using it. I think it works just fine without the wheels, but just something for you to know. Be aware before you buy this. Overall, I think the quality is great. Like I said, especially for the price that you're paying, this is pretty cool.